If you try to map the textures on big surfaces, for example texture of the ground, you probably notice the ugly unwanted visible repetition of texture. So how to avoid that? The answer is to use the tool so-called UV Randomizer. What it does is that it randomizes the rotation and the scale of each texture tile and blend texture tiles together. So by using this tool, we can avoid texture repetition and tile texture endlessly without visible pattern. The approach is always unique depending on the 3D software you are using. So we gather the information for most of them, and hopefully you can find a link with solution for your 3D software below this video. If you know the solution for your 3D software and didn't find it here, please put the link and the comment below. Hope you like this tip, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next quick tutorial.